Do you prefer fancy or casual date night? Why is actually regarding about the date? Okay, yeah. What kind of like a something really you prefer, fancy or casual? Okay, now I have to choose. Uh, fancy or casual? I prefer to be a casual. Okay. Fancy का मतलब क्या होता है कि you are actually wearing tux. She is actually wearing backless. Okay, backless is a kind of like a something women dress, by the way. Okay. You are actually wearing your black tux. She is actually wearing black backless kind of like a one piece. I'm not really sure what is at least this thing. Okay, she was wearing that. Okay, you look good. She looks really gorgeous. Okay, you come together, you went to kind of like a something very fancy restaurant in the London. Okay, they are actually serving this kind of dish and everything is look like kind of like a something like that you are actually seeing on the movies and stuff like that. Okay, or you went to coffee shop, that's it. You order a coffee and the whatever you are wearing, that's it. Okay, just whatever you are wearing, just like whatever the things that you kind of like wear on your coffee shop. Yeah, this exactly is this thing. Okay, so which one would you choose, as a fancy or as a casual? uh I would prefer to be a casual. Okay, yeah, but it's all depend on the date. Is actually depend on the topic of conversation. Like what is actually the topic? Like basically, is this thing the date become really horrible until and unless you don't know how do I supposed to talk or how do you communicate. Okay, and like basically चलो मान लेते हैं कि आप एक लड़की को बहुत ज़्यादा चाहते हो, वो भी लड़की आपको बहुत चाहती है, आप दोनों को बताया कि आप एक दूसरे को बहुत ज़्यादा चाहने लगे हैं. ओके, बट समहाउ यू डोंट रियली टॉक दैट मच. ओके, मीन्स लाइक अभी जो आप डेट पे जा रहे हो ये आपकी तीसरी डेट है. ओके, नाउ यू काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ समथिंग लाइक दैट कि you have to talk about some certain thing that is kind of like a, what do you like, what do you this and what do you this. You don't really ask kind of like a something really a stupid question that कि are you virgin. भाई इससे like it kind of like a something really that कि date went off. Okay, or kind of like a something that how much percentage that you get on the SSC board. Dude, this kind of like a question should you supposed to be asked on the date. Okay, you should prepare that key what are you supposed to ask, and as also the question should supposed to be asked by male as a boy. Okay, ये लड़कों को ही एक तरह से सवाल, like you should supposed to be take a lead. Okay, she will not take the lead. Okay, क्योंकि वो लड़की है. ओके, आपको ही लीड लेनी चाहिए. लाइक एंड लीड में लीड का मतलब है कि यू शुड सपोज आस्क अ क्वेश्चन, मेक हर कंफर्टेबल, मेक हर लाफ लिटिल बिट. ओके, तो आई थिंक दैट कि यूजुअली it shouldn't supposed to depend on where should you went to date. It's depend on how you execute that entire process from the male point of perspective. Okay, क्योंकि female for the female date is a kind of like a something roller coaster ride, that's it. Okay, she just have to be enjoying, that's it. But you are kind of like executing the entire stuff. Okay, आपको ये सारी चीज़ें पता होनी चाहिए कि आपको क्या बात करनी चाहिए, कौन सी बात करनी चाहिए. इफ़ आई आस्क दिस क्वेश्चन तो what kind of like a something will answer. Okay, and it shouldn't supposed to be kind of like an interview, but it kind of like a something a conversation. अगर वो कह रही है कि मुझे एक तरह से लाइक एप्पल पसंद है तो मग आस्क दिस क्वेश्चन लाइक एप्पल तो आप तो कभी बीमारी नहीं पड़ते होगे. So it just make it a little bit of funny and things like that. So I don't know. Okay, it depends on how much smart you are. Okay, so this is what it is. All right, next question.